I know exactly how you feel today. Your portfolio is down at least 50% or even more. We see a red market overall. But the question is right now, okay, our double bottom is now invalid, but didn't we create a new double bottom, and do we have a new price target, and could we see here another pump to the upside? This is what I want to speak with you about, bratans. If you appreciate these videos, which I'm doing again for you every day, then please subscribe to this channel and share this channel. It really helps for the algorithm. Before we are going here into this detailed picture, I want just to be very clear. In the big picture, we saw in the most of the cases, we saw always before the halving, this green square represents the halving. We saw always in most of the case before the halving, you see, we saw in most of the case a dump. Hoyak, this was in 2020. We saw here the same in 2012. The only one where we saw after the halving a dump, this was here in 2016. So in two out of 3 cases, we saw a dump before the halving, and the halving is right now only 6 days away. The most of the liquidity is still here at this 50K area. However, in the immediate short term, if we are watching in the immediate short term on the 12 hour, it wasn't 12, yeah, no, 24 hour here, if we are watching, we see here there is a lot of liquidity still above 69K, so here around 15 million, and also at 72K, there's still a lot of liquidity, even up to, wait a minute, I have to go to the 3 days, then you see it even better. Here at 72K, there's a lot of liquidity up to 75K. So we could still see here, even though we are dumping, we could still see here a quick wick to 75K. And this double bottom, this new double bottom, which we are forming here, is also exactly in alignment with the price target of around 76K, which not mean, again, I want to be here very clear, that it not means that we not see this dump. I still think, and you can call me Il Capo, that I still think that we will see a dump to 50K. But we can see some wick to 75K, as I tell you, since weeks, because the market maker tend to liquidate the shorts and the longs before we see another pump. If we are watching right now on the 4 hourly, we have a bullish divergence, which not necessarily will work out, but we see here, wait a minute, I have to delete this one. We see here a bullish divergence on the 4 hourly. We see the price is here going slightly up. It's not confirmed yet, but it seems to be bullish divergence, but the RSI is going down, which indicates a bullish divergence. But will we see pump? I don't know. I would be very careful with longs right now here, very careful, because as I said, the probability that we see here dump to this 50K area is more likely than we see pump to 75K. So therefore, please watch out, be very careful. If you want, you can get up to $30,000 on Bybit. Link is down below, bratans. And please tell me, do you want me to do a video about altcoins, which I will buy if we see more further dump? Because you see already we saw a dump of nearly 50%. For example, like TIA dumped over 50%. We saw Cubic dumping over 50%. I hope that Cubic will dump another 50% so we can buy even cheaper. But I have some other altcoins which I would like to buy if we see a dump to 50K. Imagine this opportunity to buy cheap, really cheap back altcoins. Do you want me to do a video about it? If yes, write me down below, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.